This is going to be a video tutorial on how to clear your search history in Windows 11. Let me jump over to my desktop here. I am on my desktop now. To clear the Windows search history in Windows 11, the first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go down to the bottom down here, down to my little start icon. I'm going to right click on the start icon. Then I'm going to go up to where it says Settings, and I'm going to click on Settings. Now in the dialog box that opens up, the pane off to the left hand side, you want to click on Privacy and Security. Then on the center pane, you want to go down to the Windows Permissions area, and toward the bottom of that, Search, you want to click on Search. And then right up top here, Search History. Store my search history on this device to improve search results. By default, that's probably toggled on, but you can toggle on or off the ability to save your search history right up here. Down below that, Clear Device Search History. You just click on Clear, and my search history has been cleared now. That is how to clear your Windows search history in Windows 11. Thanks for watching.